In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent text in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can quickly adjust the spacing of your text and make your emails look more polished and easier to read. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual details. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Click on Campaigns. This is where all of your existing campaigns are listed. From your campaign list, find the specific campaign where you want to indent some text. On the right side of that campaign's row, there will be an edit button. Go ahead and click that. Mailchimp will now open a full preview of your campaign. On this campaign screen, you'll see the email preview on the right side. Move your mouse over the content until you see the section you want to work with. Then click Edit for that email. This will open the email editor, where you can change text, images, and styling. Inside the editor, locate the text block that you want to indent. A text block is any section that contains a chunk of text, like a paragraph or a call-out message. Click directly on that text block. When you do this, Mailchimp will open the settings for that block on the left-hand panel. In the left panel, make sure you're on the Styles tab. This is where you control how the text looks, including fonts, colors, and spacing. Scroll down until you find the padding section. Padding is the space inside the block, between the text and the edges of the container. To create an indent from the left, you'll adjust the left padding. Look for the left padding option and start increasing its value. As you adjust it, keep your eye on the preview on the right side. You'll see the text gradually move inward from the left edge, creating that indented look. Take your time and tweak the value until the indent looks just right for your layout. A small increase often looks more professional than a very large one. Once you're happy with how the text looks, go to the top right of the editor and click Save and Exit. This will apply your changes and return you to the campaign overview. That's all you need to do to indent text in Mailchimp. Open your campaign, edit the email, adjust the left padding in the Styles tab, and save your changes.